Question number 11. As a developer on the Horizon Enterprises Digital Experience team, you are tasked with building a new Power Apps Canvas app that must feature a responsive design. Which two actions should you perform to configure this app for responsiveness? Option A. Disable the Scale to Fit setting. Option B. Configure the height and width properties by using drag handles. Option C. Enable the lock orientation setting. Option D. Configure the height and width properties by using a formula. The correct answers are Option A. Disable the Scale to Fit setting. Option D. Configure the height and width properties by using a formula. Question number 12. As a consultant for the Contoso Retail Sales team, you are building a Canvas app that uses collections to temporarily manage daily sales lead. The app must be able to perform the following actions. Create a new collection variable for the day's leads. Remove all lead records from the collection at the end of the day. You need to select the correct Power Effects functions to implement this functionality. Which functions should you use? The first question is, create a new collection variable. The correct answer is collect. Question number 2. Remove table values from a collection. The correct answer is clear. Question number 13. You have built a new inventory app for the retail team at Contoso Inc. using Power Apps and Dataverse for Teams. Team members have reported that they are unable to access the new app. You need to ensure the retail team members can use the app. What should you do? Option A. Share the app with a security group by using the Maker portal. Option B. Publish the app by using the Maker portal. Option C. Request that a tenant administrator pin the app to the app bar in the team. Option D. Share the app with a security group in Teams. The correct answer is Option B. Publish the app by using the Maker portal. Question number 14. The sales team at Innovatech Solution uses a model-driven app and has requested a single simplified screen to quickly enter a new customer's first name, last name, and phone number. You need to configure the app to meet this requirement. What should you do? Option A. Create a Power Automate flow. Option B. Use a Power Virtual Agents app. Option C. Create a Canvas app. Option D. Modify the sitemap. The correct answer is Option C. Create a Canvas app. Question number 15. The SR department at White Vault Importers has created a Canvas app for employees to request time off and plans to make it available in Microsoft Teams. You need to add the app to Teams for internal use. Which 3 actions should you perform in sequence? On the left side, you have the actions. On the right side, you need to choose the action in the correct order. The correct answers are: sign into the Maker portal for Microsoft Power Platform. Select the required Power Apps app. Add the app to Teams. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 16. A project team at Datum Corporation has built a Microsoft Teams app that uses two tables in the Dataverse for Teams environment. You need to configure access for users outside the immediate project team so that they can use the app and interact with its data. What should you do? The first question is access to the data. The correct action is assign a permission set for each table in the app. The second question is access to the app. The correct action is share with users. Question number 17. Innovate Solutions Client Engagement Division is planning to implement Power Pages and requires demonstration sites based on the following requirements: a website that supports automated scheduling, a website that supports event registration, a website that can be extended by using the company's branding. In addition, custom development work must be minimized. You need to identify the appropriate Power Pages templates to use. Which templates should you use? On the left side, you have the templates. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct template. The first requirement is automated scheduling. The correct template is after school program. The second requirement is event registration. The correct template is after school program. The third requirement is extension by using branding. The correct template is blank page. Question number 18. You are developing a multi-screen Canvas app for the operations team at Northwind Traders to manage inventory checks. The app must store temporary data according to the following requirements. Data for a specific location's checklist must be maintained on its own screen and passed to a summary screen upon completion. The app must maintain a list of scanned items, allowing an operator to update the quantity of each item individually. You need to configure the appropriate variable type for this data. Which variable types should you use? On the left side, you have the variable types. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct variable type. The first requirement is screens maintain separate data and pass the data to a summary screen. The correct variable type is context variable. The second requirement is update separate rows of a table independently. The correct variable type is collection. Question number 19. You are building a Canvas app for the service operations team at Contoso Renewables to manage service records. The app must send an email notification after a record is saved and display the expiration column on a form only if the record's creation date is older than 90 days. You need to configure the app. Which features should you use? The first requirement is send an email. The correct answer is Power Automate Flow. The second requirement is display the expiration column. The correct answer is Formula. Question number 20. The development team at Contoso Realty is creating two new applications. One for sales agent that requires a pixel-perfect user interface built without code, and another for external clients to view property listings. You need to recommend the correct application type for each requirement. Which application types should you use? On the left side, you have the application types. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct application type. The first requirement is custom control layout without coding. The correct application type is Canvas app. The second requirement is used by external users. The correct application type is Power Pages Portal.